Okay. Fifth point is antiseptic wipes or alcohol swabs and cotton wool. Fifth point is antiseptic wipes or cotton wools we can also use to remove some fluids or substance from the surface or skin. Like this is antiseptic wipes that why we are applying such antiseptic wipes or cotton wool, so that we can remove or the substance, we can remove the fluids from the surface, or definitely we are talking about the skin. So we use antiseptic wipes or cotton wool for this purpose. Number 6 point is safety pins and tweezers. Safety pins and the use of tweezers, dear students, you know it because we have to pick up any dirt or debris that remains in the wound. We have to pick it with the tweezers. And safety pin can be used in place of a sticky or adhesive tapes if they are not available in your first aid kits. So if you do not have any sticky tapes or adhesive material, then you can use this safety pins. So safety pins and tweezers are really very mandatory, and these two things to be kept in your first aid kit. Number 7 point is scissors. A pair of scissors is needed to cut the tape and gauze. So the very purpose of scissor, which is a tool used for cutting tape and gauze, definitely it should be in your first aid kit. Latex gloves, which is the 8 point. Latex gloves are always a good idea, especially if you are dealing with body fluids from a stage. Like 8th point is really very important because latex gloves are, you must have seen the latex gloves which are made of rubber, and they are very hard one, and they are very hard to tear even. So they are of medical use basically, but dealing with the fluids, you must wear such latex gloves so that you could keep your hands safe from other person's body fluids. So they are really very hard one and hard to tear as well. So you must have seen the latex gloves in order to keep away from the body fluids of a stranger. Okay, the 9th point is calamine lotion. And calamine lotion is used for soothing sunburns or skin. So calamine lotion, it is also medication used, but many doctors help use the help of it and can take help from the calamine lotion for the dry out skin, or it may help in irritation, sunburn, stings. And how it is applied, yes, definitely it is applied directly on the skin as a cream, as we use as a cream or as a lotion, and for the purpose of soothing. Like whenever you are going to apply such a calamine lotion, it may soothe your sunburns or sting or some wounded area. Okay, now the 10th point is clinical thermometer. And the very purpose of clinical thermometer, I think you are very well aware of this 10th point, that is clinical thermometer. It is used for measuring body temperature, or it can be inserted where it can be inserted so that you can measure the temperature of a person. Yes, it can be inserted in mouth, or it can be kept under the tongue as well. Okay, the 11th point is analgesic tablets, and the name of the tablets are given over here. What are the names that are given over here? Yes, the two names are given over here, such as aspirin or paracetamol. So analgesic tablets like aspirin or paracetamol, why they are used? Because it reduces the intensity of the pain. So these two tablets should also be there in your first aid kit. I hope that you have understood all these points, all these 11th point that we have discussed today.